Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this gorgeous Korean inspired curly hair. Alright, to begin, I'm going to straighten my hair, my naturally wavy hair, and actually part it in the middle. Okay, and I'm going to set the hair iron in the medium heat level. So as you can see, my hair is really damaged by all these bleachings.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay, and by the way, just always remember to please be careful when straightening your hair, because of course you might get hurt when it's too hot. And there you go, as you can see, I'm done straightening my hair, so I'm just brushing it. Oh wait, I'm not yet done. So what we have here is a piece of a chopstick, and that's what we're going to use to perm or to curl her hair. There you go.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Oh, and actually you don't have to, or it doesn't really have to be perfect. What we're going for is, a naturally curly hair. So you don't have to perfect all the curls. You can go on by each piece of curl for about 10 to 15 seconds stop.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Oh, and by the way, you gotta have a lot of patience when doing this, because it's gonna take a lot of time, and more time, more patience, the better the outcome.
Close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Alright, so basically when you're done with the first side, you just have to do the other side. The same thing all over again. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm having a hard time fitting the chopsticks, or the chopstick, into my piece of what do I call that? My hair, if that makes sense. Because I have short hair. But if you have longer hair, of course, it's gonna be a lot easier. Oh, and please say hi to my brother.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
And there you have it. We're actually done curling our hair. So we're just going to brush. And we're gonna put some hair mousse. And this one's from Lowling. A Thrive product, I guess. So you gotta put plenty of products. Or product. There you go. I think I wanted more, so more mousse to my hair to actually keep the hair or the curl in place and to volumize it more. Okay, and we're also going to use Gatsby hairspray to keep the hair in shape and make it last longer. There you have it, we're done. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and to watch more videos or upcoming ones. Happy New Year!